Hello friends, welcome back to our Health Advice channel. In the world daily, day by day, the corona cases are increasing, as well as in the people, their mind, they are developing stigma about corona. Most of them, they are not worrying about coronavirus, but they are bothering and developing stigma. Those who are infected and those who are diagnosed with a positive. Guys, in the world, the research centers are struggling to find vaccination to against the corona disease. Till the vaccination comes, we have to take care of our own responsibility to get free from the corona by following instructions. So, people they are as we have discussed, they are not worrying about the coronavirus because instead of developing stigma, if they are having fear towards the corona, they will be take care themselves and they will give the suggestions to others also. Guys, today the health advice is to preventing and addressing social stigma. What is the meaning of stigma? Social stigma in the context of health is the negative association between a person or a group of people who share certain characteristics and a specific diseases. Because of that, people may mean or labeled in society, they give a tag, these are corona affected family, and showing discriminating against, treated separately. Why is COVID 19 causing so much stigma? There are three main factors. The first one, it is a disease that's new and for which there are still many unknown. The second one, we are often afraid of the unknown. And third factor is it is easy to associate that fear with others. So, because of this impact, stigma can undermine social cohesion and prompt possible social isolation of groups, which might contribute to a situation where the virus is more, not less, likely to spread. Stigma can drive people to hide the illness to avoid discrimination. Yes, it is happening really. Because of this kind of a stigma, those who have the diagnosed with the positive also, they are not at all cooperating towards the health advisors because of kind of a development of a social stigma. They are hiding their illness and prevent people from seeking healthcare immediately, discourage them from adopting healthy behaviors. These all misconceptions and rumors and misinformation are contributing to stigma and discrimination with a harmful response efforts. Choose words carefully. The way we communicate, it can affect the attitude of others. So always we have to be cooperate those who have diagnosed with a positive also. Understood? Guys, you just realize once how the volunteers, ASHA workers and the ANMs and police department and municipality department and the total whole government is sacrificing their life to get control of this corona. They are working 24 hours in 7 days. First, you remove such a kind of a stigma, support them about precautions. You also follow the precautions from the infection, as well as the people who has diagnosed with a positive of corona. Don't be get fear. You have to cooperate with the health providers. If you cooperate, you will be get out of corona with a 100% of success. Mentally, you have to stable, support to physically, fight against corona, stand for awareness of others. Thank you so much. These health advices, please don't be neglect. Please follow this kind of all instructions And for people, I'm telling you, don't show any differentiation towards the positive people, and don't show any stigma, and don't develop any kind of a such a kind of stigma. Thank you all.